uploaded a video. So right now we're on the way to the airport. We're off to Korea, so it's just me and Dash and Daniela. Our flight is at 8. See you guys in the next one. We just checked in. Lalaki ko po.
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Hi mama, hi auntie, hi uncles. Hi.
Let's go. I'll take off Mako Valele, Mako Brisbane transit for 2 hours, then Vawaula, South Korea. But just wanted to take you guys along with us. If I saw for Mako trip, because this is our first time. So I hope you guys enjoy. Say hi. 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 Yeah, dapat umay bangalan uloy Mako gate. Pray get ice drink. Oh, because we're villa. Hi, girl.
Yeah.
Hey. See you soon, Lisa. See you soon, Auntie.
See you,
Veronica. And Dutton. Oh my gosh, look what the outlet of Seoul. Oh, look at the buildings. I'm so excited. Ooh. Datin. This is going downhill. Oops, I got my house. Live wala may driver wala driver. May wala tour. Ikalo may yan. God, busy too risky. Anyway, day 1, let's go. Texas Roadhouse in South Korea. These are their rolls, and these are their steaks. Bar. Grilled shrimp with rice.
We're currently at the gas station.
The exchange.
Exchange, and we're getting some drinks. So, yeah. Yeah.
Good?
Wait, no.
Whoa. Day 2 kakuya apps for Elo makumay ito standard bread is so kasi nice. Try a flip. This is the classic bread. That's salted butter bread, tissue bread. I'm not sure what that is. No.
Hey,
Oh gosh, that is really nice.
can you taste the drink?
I want matcha bread. Matcha bread. Oh. What
is
beans?
that? Ah.
Red beans. Monica, you alright?
Yeah.
Oh God, Aulele, so beautiful. Le faingole. Ke unga ko kongot fale olo le standing bread. So we just finished. We're about to leave now. Just one last look at the place. This is the standard bread in Seoul, Gangnam. So we're on the second floor. We'll go check out the third floor. Oh, look at this. Check out the recipe. So this is the third floor. Oh my gosh. So we're on the third floor now. It's so pretty. Let's do a nice 360. Ooh. Yeah, so this is the outside. Oh. Look here. Hello.
It's a pigeon. Where?
Papa, are you skinning on?
I was like, I saw it.
That was nice. That was really nice. And now we're walking back to where we parked our car, which is just down the street. Oh, here. Okay. That was really nice. Thank you so much, family. We may have soda pop. How about this? You're jamming to this Samoan song in South Korea, Seoul.
From the sunset to the rising sun, across the sea, my heart will stay.
Oh, I didn't see that. Cool.
No matter what we go through.
Yeah, lewo papa mako mangava, mahangay mako mea ai ole standard bread. Lewo mako ole ile mall ole Starfield, Co-X Starfield mall ingai I Gangnam. Yeah, we'll take you guys along with us. But we'll mute le pipese lang ay copyright lau video le mafainga share.
685.
Where? 6859. 685. This is the Co-X Starfield Mall in Gangnam, Seoul. So pretty. Ia vai o le whaasingo aku le mola a ko lea I se foi. Se ko vai mai ai ma kankanga I mai ai. Just showing you guys around. You know, to have a look, see what it's like. I se foi a ko lea. Ala ko foi mea. O kasi mga
How big this mall is. I hope you guys can hear me. Ooh, I see the library.
Ya mga ele mo ko lea I le library yan. Ya. Ife ai mo ska ko mo fa pesamo.
To see. Huh? It's really nice. That's the library. Take a look again one last time. I feel bad for these guys. It's like, how can he actually study in here when people just come in and out and a lot of influences. See you guys. Here we go. Thank you. The famous Gangnam style statue. Nice.
O inga fai lau si mai mako si vana TikTok lai nuna le. Go check out my TikTok e ke vai e lau si vana ngau si va mai luma le statue e aku para langi post sa o ai laku versa mo si var. Hey guys, that's it for now. Yeah, lavanga se e koe whaawaua ko fo I ale. Lesi le part 2, lesi kaimi. Okay, bye.